Good afternoon, Mep here, Mep Investments, bringing you an afternoon or evening video before I head out to the Panthers game. I'm gonna go watch the Panthers against the Stars. Get a little family time and relax. Things are slow. Market is a snoozer, and I anticipate it'll probably continue to be like this, especially going into Thanksgiving next week. Um, the big news today was Fed official, Fed Bueller, whatever his name is, because all these Fed officials, all they do is jawbone, jawbone, jawbone to try and bring down inflation by jawboning. Um, and that caused gyrations in the market. At one point, the S&P was down over 50. The Dow Jones was down over 300. Nasdaq was down. I don't know if it got down to 200, but it was down almost 200. Small caps were down like 30, 40 points. It was horrible. Um, and then as the day went on, we were green at some point, and then we finished pretty much down a smidge. Um, I was able to I was able to squeak out a gain today. I don't know how. I'll show you some of my future trades. Um, Let me see what I was up on the day. I think I was pretty not almost flat, bro. Point 0.4 I was up. So non-relevant day. Hopefully tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me. Sorry about that. Hopefully tomorrow I can get a 1% gain to finish up for the week. That would be good. A 5% gain will put me maybe up a little bit. A 1% gain will be good in the portfolio. Um, like I said, it's been very boring. It's been a struggle to find trades. I had 26 fills today. The futures are closed right now, and they don't open till 6 p.m. Close the BTU calendar for a small gain. Sold the put credit spread in Coop. Sold the credit spread in Uber. Closed the lending club for a small gain on a call calendar. Um, SoFi closed the call calendar for basically small, tiny gain because it expires also tomorrow. Same with HELX. Did a put calendar spread on Macy's. Did a Iron Fly on Bed Bath and Beyond. Uh, in regards to futures, I'll get into that. Um, Close NLY for a 50% credit. Close Wayfair for a 50% credit. OBE closed the put and I got assigned the stock, so I own the stock. Energizer closed for a small profit. Zillow closed it for full loss on that spread because IV is very low and it's not even worth rolling it. Stitch Fix closed for 50% profit. DWAC 50% profit. Stitch Fix 50% profit, and these were all future trades. In the futures, I don't think I did too hot in the futures. Um, I got hit. So let's start with the futures. Uh, the 10-year was up 7 bips. I'm holding a 10-year long, and I was up $75, but I'm still down on the position. The dollar was up today, 0.3% Bitcoin up to 65. I have um, a Bitcoin short in the futures. It's flat. All foreign currencies were down. Oil was a loss for me today. Now the good thing was that here's the deal with oil. So I had so I bought let me sort this out so I can explain to you. I bought where is it? I think I bought it last night. Yeah, I bought it last night. So let me go to my account history. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see here. All right, here has an order. So yeah, I bought it late last night when it was down at about 10 o'clock at night at 84 bucks, and I put a stop at 82.99, which it got triggered. And it's kind of a good thing I got kind of triggered because that was a $100 loss, and it kept going down. It kept going down when it triggered my loss here. My loss was at 83, and look at that, what it hit, 81.20. So if I wouldn't have put that stop, I would have been in a lot of pain. Uh, I saved myself some money. So what I did was, I bought it again at 81.85, and hopefully I can get a pop back up. We'll see. Um, I bought S&P contract on the micro, which I'm still holding. I got in at 39.35, and I'm up to 127 on the day. I didn't even sell it. I'm holding it. What else do we got? Gold was down 13. I didn't mess with gold. I got enough gold, so I don't even mess with it. Feeders were up. Hogs were up. Live cattle was up. All meat prices were up. Small caps, I did buy small. I bought basically all the indexes at 14.38, up $27 on that. The Nasdaq, I bought at 11,634, closed up on 11,746. So I'm up 223 on this one. And the Dow Jones I bought at 33343, and I'm up 120. Now those indexes are good, and that's what made me profitable because I bought them at the day low, more or less. But I got hit in the grains today, which I'm not happy about. Which they fell off. But oh, I could probably see them on my phone. Oh, maybe not. I think it probably went off the board, which I was upset. But I did have losses. Yeah, I didn't show up. I lost about $100 in soybeans, and I think about $200 in wheat. So I'm very upset at myself. But I had stop losses, and they got triggered. Little upset about that, but and it's kind of thinly traded. You live and learn. Um, Silver down 53 cents. Didn't do anything there. Natural gas up 20 cents. Didn't do nothing there. Copper down 9 cents. And that's pretty much it for the futures. They're still dealing with Sam. I am the man, weirdo. Um, but most of the news today was regarding that Fed speaker and making the market gyrate, opening his mouth. Gap is up after hours. I think AMAT was up after hours. Let's go to the bar chart. I saw Target had a nice day and bounced back. Tesla down 3, Apple up 2, Amazon down 2, Nvidia down 2 after earnings. Alibaba strong day up 6, Advanced Micros down 120. Facebook down $1.78, Netflix down 10, Cisco up 2 after earnings. Taiwan up 2. I got to do a video on that TSM trade, Chicken Iron Condor. Buffett's in there. Target up 6, good bounce back. Macy's up 3 after good earnings. Disney down 250, JD up 4. Palo Alto down 253. They might have been up after hours. Yeah, up 10. And I need that because I have CrowdStrike. They should be up with sympathy. and I have a bunch of positions in CrowdStrike, which actually expire tomorrow. I needed over 145, 146. So I didn't even close it out today. I was holding on because they have earnings next week. I was gonna roll it, but maybe I can get lucky tomorrow. Uber down one. I did the put credit spread in Uber. Pinduoduo up three. Block down $1.56. Roblox down $1.88. Norwegian got downgraded, I think, down $1 plus. I have a I'm short that. I did an iron fly in Bath and Body Works, nice earnings. Like that company, candles and soap, beautiful. Smells very nice. Ryder up two, Rivian down one, PayPal down one, DWAG down one, Foot Locker up 1 and 50, Snowflake up six, down six, sorry. That's pretty much it. Silvergate's involved in crypto. That thing's getting annihilated. Blackstone's been trading very bad lately too. Down 353. Salesforce has earnings soon. Down 543. IBM up 157. Airbnb down five. Goldman Sachs down two. That's pretty much it. Like I said, it's a struggle. I was even going through IB ranks, going by the highest, but it was just um, a lot of like biotechnology stuff. I didn't even want to get involved, to be honest with you. Some of the other stuff I already have, or they have earnings coming out, and I really don't want to mess with that. I'd rather wait for the news to come out. I've learned my lessons with that. I don't even know what to name this video because this this market's been a struggle the last 2 or 3 days. Been very, very boring and a struggle to find trades and find some action. And that makes me sad because I like to be busy and engaged. Um, I'm definitely engaged because I'm watching the markets, but just not much to do that makes sense that's an opportunity. That's why I traded more futures today, um, which made me up a little bit. And I'm really hoping for a good strong close tomorrow heading into the Thanksgiving week. That's what I'm hoping for so I can finish the week strong. Um, let's see what else I got here for you. I really don't have much. I mean, percentage gainers, Bath and Body Works up 25%. Huge, huge move in them. One of the biggest solid companies moves today. Really like that name. Alibaba was big today, but I'm kind of skeptical still on the Chinese names. On the downside, I mean, on the downside, stuff that I might want to get into, SQM, look at that tomorrow. They're very profitable in the lithium miner, but you have exposure for it being in another country. I think Net was profitable, but it's in the tech sector, down pretty big today. Um, that was pretty much it. BJ's missed; they were down. So I don't know. Chime in. Who's the standout of the day? I think Bath and Body Works is the standout of the day, up 25%. I think that's the name of the video, Bath and Body Works. Let me show you the trade I did in Bath and Body Works. So then people don't talk crap that I do a video and don't have nothing to do. I saved the best for last, I guess. So what I did in Bath and Body Works, it was the IV rank is 47. Let's put it up here because you can see it here nice and pretty. Up 40 here, 40 IV rank. What I did here was, uh, let's go to trade, and I did an iron condor. That's what you would pick, and you go out. What'd you say? You go out. I went out 20. Let's see how many days. 29 days. 29 days, right? And I picked the 40 strikes, and I sold the put and call at the 40 strike, right? And then I bought the wings. but I kind of skewed it. I skewed it to, I gave myself a little bit more risk to the downside by going like this, right? And I collected on this trade, BBWI, I collected $4.25. Right now I'm up $25. I think it will be 1750. It shows here. It requires $1,000 margin, and I'll explain to you why. So 425 I collected here. So I'm basically long 18 shares. That's what this trade is constructed as, right? So my break evens are 40 plus 425. 44.25 is my break even to the top side. If it goes past that, then I can lose in the next 29 days. To the downside, my break even is 40 minus 425, 36. 40 minus let's say 4, 36, 35.75 to be exact. 35.75 to the downside. But I didn't buy the 35 put. I skipped over and I bought the 30 to collect a bigger credit. Now, this trade, you manage it by trying to buy this spread back for 20 to 25%, which would be about 100 plus dollars on this 425 that I collected. Um, so this trade is called an iron fly. If you were to do it without these wings for protection, it would be a straddle. A straddle is an undefined risk trade, and I like to try. I like to trade risk defined. So I have more risk to the downside on this trade, being that I'm long 18 deltas. So I hope, and this is more of like an IB contraction play from the 40 as the stock settles. I think this will settle in this range, and this volatility will contract, and I'll be able to buy back this spread for 20-25% profit. So I hope that helps you. Subscribe, like, have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video.